All right, just a quick little update before I get into today's video. Probably noticed I went ahead with a channel name change. So Maryland is known as, one of the nicknames is the Old Line State. So I think I'm gonna go with Old Line Treasure Hunter. Kind of like it. This is all the bottles that I've kept for my collection. I definitely got to get a bigger shelf. Anyway, and also with a lot of the winter rains, the water levels of the spots that I hunt have, they haven't gone down, they've stayed up. So in the meantime, I've done a lot of metal detecting. So be on the lookout if you enjoy metal detecting videos. I'll be posting some of those. And what I think I'm going to do is stick with the bottle videos over the weekend. And then if I have any metal detecting hunts to post, I'll put them up midweek. So that pretty much is just a quick little update for the channel. And then upcoming video is 2 separate bottle hunts. So there's a small wrap up filmed in between the 2 hunts. All right, I hope you enjoy. All right, I got a bottle down here. If I don't find much else today, I might just pair this with something else. That is, even if it's a good bottle. It looks like a beer. Visibility is not good at all today. The lip's broken. It's not old at all. All right, I got a couple bottles down here. Oops. Don't want to cooperate. I think that's a bottle. All right, let's get this one. Neither one of them want to cooperate. It's like one of the milk bottles. Hagerstown Dairy Company. All right, let's try and get this one. Alright, at least I got a milk bottle. Alright, I think we got another one down here. I ran my foot across the top of it. Could feel it with a bottle. It's cool. It's gonna be just one of those that says registered half pint. So it's probably blown in a mold. It's pretty crude looking top. That's a keeper. This other thing, I don't know what that was. Some kind of juice bottle or something. I was right in front of a house, so that's why I didn't really want to talk too loud. But here's a close-up look at that Hagerstown Dairy Company. I guess that could have had some type of juice in it. I found one of these earlier in the year, but the lip was broken on it. I'm definitely thrilled with that. Hopefully it cleans up good. Alright, see if we can get a couple more on the way out. Alright, here's the results of that quick hunt. I only brought back 2 bottles that I kept. I threw about 10 away that were just junk, modern junk. But the problem was it had rained overnight and I didn't check the gauge, and the water level shot up enough to where I guess it murked up the water. You couldn't really see through if it was deeper than a foot, really. So I am thankful that I at least found these 2, so it wasn't a complete waste of time. It was a good exercise anyway. It's 2023. This hunt actually took place on New Year's Day, so. Got the juice bottle, Hagerstown Dairy Company, and then the blown in the mold half-pint bottle. And if you're watching this video, I'm sure I lumped these clips in with another not so productive hunt. But it's still good to be out in the winter. I thought my hunting time was over, but it was a nice warm day. Figure why not? Alright, till the next time, thank you for watching. Alright, I see a nice old bottle down here. Some type of flask. Alright, here it comes. Just another unembossed, warranted flask. But that's the best thing I found so far today. I've already been out here for 3 hours, and all I've got is probably a 60s Diet Right bottle and a Blob mason jar. Honestly, I'm thrilled to find something old. Maybe this will be a good spot right here. Alright, I think I got another bottle down here. It's hiding behind this rock right there. Now the question is it going to be old? The camera's probably not picking it up because such a huge glare from the sun. Alright. I kind of got it covered with silt. I'll let that clear up for a second. There you can see the bottle now, it's right here. And the base of it looks older. But I do not see any embossing. Pretty color though. It's a shame it doesn't have anything on it. Alright, here's another one. I can't tell if it's modern. Yeah, it's modern. Alright, I'll bring it out and throw it away. Yeah, so I came out today with very high hopes. I mean, it's January, probably second week of January. It's warm for January. It's like 50 degrees, it's bright and sunny out, and the water's crystal clear. And it's frustrating because it just hasn't panned out. But I think I might have something here that made it all worth it. That looks like a blob top. Oh, come on, please be a blob top. Oh yeah, it is. Can't see. Oh man, this water is cold. Can't make it out. I don't see any damage to it. See if I can rub it on my pants. I'm on my way out. I mean, this made the day worth it. I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but I can't really tell what it says. I'm sure it says Hagerstown on it. Check that out. Can't wait to clean that one up. The nose is running. And my toes were frozen a while ago, but the sun's at its highest point of the day. It feels nice out here now. It feels really nice after finding that. Unbelievable. Alright, maybe I'll squirt something else on the way out of here. Alright, I haven't even moved 6 inches. You might have even seen this in the clip before, but I saw what looked like a bottle. I drug my foot across it and I could feel it's glass. It's probably going to be modern because it looks like it could be a jar or something. But it's buried. So I'm going to see if I can get it dug out of here. Maybe we'll see what it is. I mean, it's wedged in there pretty good. Use my foot to... I mean, I guess it could be a milk bottle. Man, I don't want to break it. It's in there. Alright, I'm going to turn the camera off so I can use both hands to get this thing wedged out of there. And then I'll show you what it is in a minute. Well, I was able to get that rock moved. And it is a milk bottle, but sadly it's broken. Maybe we can see if it had a slug plate or something on it. Oh, it was another Hagerstown Dairy Company. Yeah, I'm betting that rock did that. It's alright though. I'll bring it out and throw it away. Had I not just found that blob top, I'd be pretty sad about that. It's like a little hot spot right here. There's a little bottle. Just modern trash. Alright, here's a wrap up of that hunt. Not a lot of finds, but one really good one. First thing I found that I ended up keeping was this nice blue ball mason jar. Not a number 13. And then I found this warranted flask blown in a mold, and once I found that, I started slowing down, which led me to the best bottle probably so far this year. It's a nice blob top. It says Hagerstown Brewing Company, WDW and Brother. It's from Hagerstown, Maryland. And it's got a nice little stone or something in the glass there. And overall, it's not in bad shape. It really isn't. It's not. It does have some scrapes on it, but nothing's deep. It's all very light. I think it could come off with the proper cleaning. But I'm thrilled with that. That's the first. No, I think it's the second blob top I found. But it's the first one with a circle slug. Pretty sure. Alright. Hope you enjoyed that. Not many finds, but definitely one good one. Alright, thanks for watching.